Hey guys, how you doing today? I got a couple of plants that I want to show you. First of all, I wanted to show you guys my beautiful Oncidium Sherry Baby Orchid. She's in bloom. She's still got a couple more, well, it looks like about 3 more to completely open. But I wanted you guys to see if I can scoot her up just a little bit. Look at the beautiful buds on her, and she smells so good. She's really sweet smelling, like I don't know, like walking into a candy shop. Absolutely gorgeous plant, gorgeous blooms, and she smells great. Oh, I see actually a few more that's not completely open, but you can see like this one down here. It looks like a little angel. They look like little angels with wings. See the little wings? And then the angel part of the body. So cute. And she smells fantastic. Absolutely love her. Oncidium Sherry Baby is the name of her. I'm going to scoot her over. So I'm going to bring up my next plant. This is a plant. I actually almost forgot about it until I was watering plants today. I got this beautiful plant. This is a cane begonia that I found at Lowe's, and I believe it is called Linda Dawn. She's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the backs of these leaves. She's like all burgundy, and you can see like she's got little bumpy leaves on her. Now I'm not for sure if this is Linda Dawn. I'm guessing from some of the pictures that I've looked at, but it is a Costa Farms begonia. But she is just absolutely gorgeous. I think I got her like maybe 3 weeks ago, but I wanted to show you guys her. She is absolutely gorgeous. And for those of you that have been watching me for a long time know that I love cane begonias, even though they get really huge, but she is just absolutely gorgeous. I have her in a west window, actually right along with my Oncidium orchid. They actually kind of sit pretty near to each other, but absolutely gorgeous. And I could not resist. I didn't know if she needed to be repotted or not, but I just checked her out. And she looks pretty good for now, so I think I'm just going to leave her alone. She's only lost a few leaves since I brought her home, and it was very, very, very cold that day. So I was lucky. I bagged her up really well. Oh, and that's a hint. If you guys are going shopping and it's really cold, I get the insulated bags. They're like a plastic insulation bag, and you can slip a really nice sized plant down into it and then close it up. And they really, you can take it like out of the store to the car and then into the house. You can leave it in the car for a little while, and it keeps the plant warm, keeps the cold off of it. So any kind of an insulated like grocery bag, that's what I use, and they work really great in the wintertime. But I wanted to show you guys this because I completely forgot about it. I have been so sick off and on, back and forth this winter that, God, first I threw out my back, and between my sinus headaches and, ugh, it's just been a crazy, crazy winter for me. So that's why I forgot to show her to you, because I've been down. But I thought that I would give you guys a peek at this beautiful orchid in bloom and my beautiful begonia. I actually have another plant that my son got me for my birthday. My birthday was back in January, and I forgot to show you guys that too. So I'm going to bring her in and show her to you. I'm going to set that back here. I'm going to go get her. Okay, this is the other beautiful orchid that my son got me. It is a Phalaenopsis orchid. I can't get her in the whole screen, so I'm holding her up. But isn't she beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. He got that for me in for my birthday in January. She's got like a rosy, it's like a rosy color, and then the back of her is yellow. She is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, there she is. And I got a couple more orchids that I have in bloom I'm going to show you real quick, and then I'm going to let you go. Okay, here's the one orchid that I have in bloom. She's only got one bloom out so far, but isn't she beautiful? I love that dark purple with the white edging around her. She's got a few more to come out. And then the other one I have in bloom is this little beauty. She's more of a white and pink color. She is so pretty, and she's got a bunch more buds coming out. Her root system is crazy, and oh geez, she is so dusty. Sorry about that, but she's dusty. It happens. Time for a bath. But, and that's really it. I don't have anything else in bud or bloom right now. These ones over here should be blooming soon. But actually, I think I see a bud back here on this one. Oh, I can't tell. Nah, it looks like a new leaf. Alrighty guys, I am going to let you go. And I will talk to you later. Just a quick little update. So, talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye. Peace.